حضر كالوس هذا
Yeah, my name is Lieutenant Colonel Paul Njue. I'm the Senior Recruiting Officer in charge of recruitment in this station, which is in Mandera East. In this station, we are recruiting 3 categories of people who are set to join the Kenya Defence Forces. First, we are seeking to recruit General Service Officer Cadets who are graduates. Secondly, we are seeking to recruit general duty recruits. This is basically those who will be trained to be service members. Then the third category is we are seeking to recruit Defence Forces constabulary. First, the procedure is first, when they arrive here in the stadium, we brief them on basically the requirements as advertised in the media, both print and electronic media. And then thereafter, the guardian, the parents, we leave the candidates here so that they can be able to be undertaken through the various physical and medical processes. On the physical processes, we start first of all by arranging the candidates in the various divisions. Basically in Mandera East, we have 2 divisions. That is Kalalio and Central Division. After arranging them with various divisions, we then thereafter go to confirm and verify the documents which the candidates have carried. This is basically a physical process which entails examining the various documents they have, that is the identity cards, the certificates, so that we ascertain they are genuine. And then thereafter, we go to the physical medical checks. This is basically looking at the physique and whether the candidate has any probably feasible injury, which does not meet the minimum criteria, medical criteria. Then thereafter, we got into a point whereby we want to subject the candidates to more medical tests, and before then, they are supposed to run a distance of around 5 kilometers so that we can catalyze their body, the reaction in the body, so that they can be able to go through the more rigorous test, which will indicate if there are any issues, internal issues in their bodies. And basically, that is where we are at the moment.
We have seen a lot of candidates who are dropped out. Maybe you can highlight what caused the problem?
Yeah, as earlier indicated, the candidates who have been eliminated at this stage did not meet the minimum requirements as advertised in the various media. Basically, various tests, heights, weight, documentation, probably some of them are not genuine, and probably the age of the candidates is beyond what we supposed to take. Basically, that is the major issue.
What was the major factor exactly?
The major factor is actually has been the minimum qualification in terms of education, because a candidate must have at least a D plain in Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education. However, Majority of those who have been eliminated at this stage had D minus, and you see that does not meet the minimum criteria, so they had to move out of the process.
Total number of turnout.
It was quite some huge turnout as expected, because this is an urban environment, and it is highly populated with different communities, and as expected, the numbers have been impressive enough. That's all?
That's all.
Okay.